I just saw a fish jump over there. I'm gonna cast. Might make for a cool video if it decides it wants to eat this. It does not, I guess. Oh, maybe it does. Yes, it does. Yes, it does indeed. The chunky fella has returned to the Harpeth River. We're at the Highway 249 bridge. We're gonna head down to the Kingston Springs Skate Park. This is one of the first floats I ever did on the Harpeth River. So it's a little nostalgic. Trying not to slip on any mud and get a cast over here, but yeah, it's nostalgic. We had rain recently. It's certainly possible that you know, it'll be a little murky. Any opportunity to be on the river is a good opportunity. So thank you guys for joining. We're going to be working this area here and heading down to the skate park, and certainly appreciate y'all being here. Let's catch some bass. Right at the put in, we got us a little rock bass. So starting off today, we're going with the black Whopper Plopper due to the murkier colors, and we're going with the Ned Salamander. This is first fish of the day. Little rock bass jumped on the salamander as soon as he got a chance. It was right about the time it hit the water, so I'd say that's probably a good sign. But yeah, so far so good. First fish down. This is what we're dealing with this morning, guys. The water is definitely warmer than the air, as you can see. But it's pretty. I don't know if the beauty translates, but steam off the water. Fog up in here. Can't even see the trees over there. I don't know. It's fun. This is the moment of the day, you know, when it's early and not many people are around and it's quiet. I just love it. I love this time. Considering it's about 58 degrees, I really regret putting a mono leader on this rod right now, because I already want to split shot and get off this Whopper Plopper, because I just don't foresee it catching anything this cool. It's just too cool. So now I had to change the leader, and I just got on the river, so it's like, just regret. I should never have done this. I should have checked the temperature, and I should have known better, and here I am, like a dum-dum, making changes. But I already see there, you know, we have this moving water here is going to be my opportunity to catch some smallies, you know, within the moving water, long story short. But so yeah, we got rid of the Whopper Plopper, and we're going to a sinking version of the Nikko Hellgrammite. Sure is a pretty day so far. It's kind of spooky a little. Yeah, it's a little spooky. Feels like a Vietnam movie a little bit. A little spookage. you just can't see very much, and you look off, see the trees in the distance, it's like straight up, I don't know, a little spooky. Spookier when you turn your back to it. We got us a smallie on the sinking Hellgrammite split shot. All right, buddy. Yeah, I will say, I feel like I have a disproportionate number of tongue hooks using this sinking Hellgrammite. I might start rigging it differently. I can't tell if we hooked the tongue here, but I'd say it's probably likely. There we go, buddy. We got it out. Yeah. I mean, you know, we're talking a 12-incher probably. Yeah. Maybe 13. Oh, man, look at that. Tongue hook. He is fine. He swam away. But he did get hooked in the tongue. Yeah, I don't know. If that happens again, I'm going to have to change the way I rig this, because it's just not normal. That's not something I usually deal with, tongue hooking. I'm usually a top of the lip guy. What we do know is the smallies will hit the Hellgrammite. And that's important. Look at that. That's a pretty cool picture. Probably need to get that. Would be cooler without the power lines, but what are you gonna do? So I thought I'd come over here on this side and catch me either a rock bass or a spot. We know how it goes. I really should be on the other side, but I saw structure and I'm a weak man. Oh God, look at that. Oh, Charlotte, stay away. Oh my God, look at all of that. Just straight up glistening in the sun. Y'all saw in my last video that I'm not a fan of spiders. God. We've made a change over to the Nikko Craw. I don't know if there's just not a bunch of bites right now on the Salamander, or if it's just not desired today. So I switched over to the Nikko Craw. We're probably going to figure that out using the Nikko Craw. I also have a Hellgrammite, a Nikko Hellgrammite. That may work in this little bit of murky water. It's just not very clear. It's kind of a greenish, maybe a touch of brown. It's obviously getting over the rain. So I just saw a fish jump over there. I'm going to cast. Might make for a cool video if it decides it wants to eat this. It does not, I guess. Oh, maybe it does. Yes, it does. Yes, it does indeed. This is a good fish. Oh, it's a drum. It's a stinky old drum. Oh, man. I guess that was bound to happen. It is the Harpeth. Come on, drum. Yeah, they like the crawfish too. And that is the risk you take when you throw it on, because these drum also like the craw. God, you smell. Why? Why? I'm not even going to touch him because he stinks. But that's him. And he's gone. Slimy old drum. I do tend to catch drum on the Harpeth. Especially when I use craws or the salamander. So I think that's relatively normal and expected on this river. Wasn't even a very big drum, really. But we will keep trucking. Man, all these spiders. Look at that spider web right there. Oh God, don't let me near it. So we've warmed up significantly at this point. I guess I could probably look exactly how much. Yeah, we're up to 64 and climbing. The sun is definitely starting to warm me up a little bit, which I'm not complaining about because it's, you know, it was 48 to start. So I think once we hit maybe I don't know, 70 degrees, I'll put the Whopper Plopper back on. It's become apparent to me that what I use, one of the key functions that I use for the GoPro camera wasn't working. And now I'm sitting here going, oh, I think I missed a lot of probably the smallie catch. And probably a lot of the drum too. And that just bums me. This function is kind of important to filming on kind of being able to catch the catch on camera. So I'm a little bit bummed. But we figured it out, and we'll go from here. Not that big of a deal. Another drum. He is not happy. Ugh. Another drum. Oh, what a bummer. I'm playing the banjo over here. I don't even want to deal with this fish. Oh, come on, man. It's like they're just sharp, you know? They are sharp. And I could grab it, but it's slimy and smells. It's just, these are nasty creatures. Oh, you stink. You stink, man. Anyway, there he is. Stinky drum. That's not what I'm out for, clearly. But it's better than catching nothing, I guess. Not to say we're gonna head down that path, but if my choice is to catch something or nothing, I always want to catch something. We're whitewatering. Alright. Yeah, we were whitewatering there for a minute. So I think it's become clear to me that the water isn't quite as stained as I thought it was. I think the lack of the sun probably had me concerned. So I'm gonna make some changes. I'm putting on the bone. I'm gonna put on probably the Nikko Hellgrammite natural colors, and then I may also keep the Bluegrass Bug in my pocket, because that'll be a quick change, potential quick change. I've changed my mind. I'm going Bluegrass Bug. I don't know. I just feel it. Feeling the Bluegrass Bug. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at this guy. Oh no, don't You better go away. I don't like you. You're too big. I don't like you. You better. Oh, is that a water moccasin? They have them in Kingston Springs. Just go on. Go on. I don't want nothing to do with you. Just stay away from me. We'll be fine. You keep on going. And despite a couple of tiny bites, I'm already off the Whopper Plopper. I think the sinking Hellgrammite was the way to go, so we're going back to it. Reserve the right to re-engage, but we're not doing it right now. Did I put mono on again? Oh, I did, didn't I? I did. Oh, take the mono off. So mono, for those that are unaware, does not stink, and fluoro does. So for topwater, you're going to want to use mono leader in my case. But when I switch off to the sinking Hellgrammite, you can have floating mono on there. Oh, we got a good spot this time. So we can catch spots today. Turns out that is possible. And I got that one on the Bluegrass Bug. And, I mean, it's decent fish. Decent. Well, you've been eating nothing. So we got a drum. We got two drum. We got a spot. We got a rock bass. We got a smallie. Cool. That ain't bad. Let's try to get some more smallies. All right, we got a smallie. I was hoping that the next thing I would say to you guys is got a smallie, because as you guys know, they are my favorite fish to catch. This one's very, very small, but still fun. Amazon doing their work here. I got that fish strictly on watching my line. Oh, I didn't catch it. Never mind. Watch my line move. Oh, golly. We got a good fish. I just don't know what it is yet. Oh my gosh. It's a big old drum. A giant drum. Oh man. Oh. Hold on, I gotta get moved here. Hold on, drum. Yeah, I don't know what the trophy size of a drum is. I think it's like 40 inches or something crazy. If that's the case. Come on, buddy. Come on. I'm gonna let you go. I get it. I understand. We understand each other. Open your mouth up. Dang. Man, you got a tough mouth. Come on, man. There we go. Look at this monster. Alright, go on. Get. Well, that's 3 drum. If I didn't know better, I'd say we're drum fishing. I think I've caught 2 or 3 smallies, a spot, and 3 drum. And I just want to make it clear that the chunky fella does not drum fish intentionally. But what I'm using will catch drum as well. We know this happens all the time. And look at this little guy. We have 2 spots now. We're just gonna catch a little of everything today. He'd eaten something recently, I can't tell what it is, but ambitious little guy. It's funny how things change. The sun goes up and we're just sheer beauty. I mean, it's bizarre because this morning I thought it looked muddy, but the sun wasn't up. So, ooh. Anyway, it's kind of shocking how that works, I guess. But it's, you know, really turned into a beautiful day. I was expecting beautiful, and I think it came through. I knew there was a fish in there, and it is, I mean, the prettiest yet tiniest smallie I've ever seen. I mean, truly like a beautiful fish. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. I mean, look at those colors. Amazing, beautiful fish. Let's give him a release he deserves. All right, buddy. Say what you want. That's a beautiful fish, no matter the size. I wonder if you can keep them in an aquarium. I mean, I'm sure it wouldn't be humane because, well, I mean, they require a lot of room, I would assume. I don't know. I mean, they're predators, so that's not like your goldfish. I'm trying to figure out, what do I have the most of? Smallie, drum. I'm pretty sure I don't have the most spots. I think I might only have 2 or 3 of those. This is a tiny rock bass right here. This I could bring home if I had like a whatever it's called, oxygen. Oh my goodness, that's the fish. We're in trouble. Oh, you see what almost happened to me? Wow. Wasn't paying attention, guys. Yeah. This is why you bring a buddy when you go kayaking. I don't have any buddies. Water is just beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. Very cool. Man, I got drum, I got smallmouth, spotted bass, obviously the rock bass. You can check it out, Chunky Fella Fishing. Yeah. That's it. All right, man. Yeah. This is a good fish. He came out of nowhere. There he is. He came 100% out of nowhere. Happy to take it though. Well, that's it. That's all she wrote. I'll tell you, I'm gonna fish around here waiting on my wife to come pick me up, but I'm just gonna hang around a little bit. But if by chance I catch a fish, I'll make sure that I include it. But I wanted to say thanks to everybody. Also, the blue herring wanted to say thanks as well, apparently. Thanks everybody for watching. Wish you guys tight lines. Hopefully you're getting a chance to fish as fall is coming. And thank you as always for joining me. Y'all take care.